Hello friends, you must have heard of addition and subtraction. Yes, in mathematics we write that plus and minus. In this video, we will understand the meaning of this plus and minus in our daily life. Okay? We learn when to do addition and when to do subtraction. So come on, let's understand these things. Here we have a boy. His name is Kanav. He has 5 chocolates. How many chocolates he has? Yes, 5 chocolates. Now his father buys 6 more chocolates. Correct. 6 more chocolates, and Kanav gets all these 6 chocolates from his father. Yes, his father gave all the 6 chocolates to him. So now how many chocolates does Kanav have? He has 5 chocolates earlier, and his father gives him 6 more chocolates. So how many chocolates now he has? 11 chocolates. Correct. In mathematics we will write it 5 plus 6 equals to 11. So whenever we get something, we do addition. Okay, let's say one more time. Whenever we get something, we do addition. Now Kanav has 11 chocolates, right? His sister Avika comes and she asks for some chocolate. Okay? Kanav thinks for some time and then he gives her 3 chocolates. How many chocolates he gives to her? 3 chocolates. Okay? So, how many chocolates are now left with Kanav? He earlier had 11 chocolates and he gives 3 chocolates to Avika. So the left chocolates with Kanav are 8. We write in mathematics 11 minus 3 equals to 8. Okay? So whenever we give something to somebody, we do subtraction. Okay? Understood? Let's say one more time. Whenever we give, then we do subtraction in mathematics. In our next example, we have a building. Okay, so let's say this is a building, and how many floors are there on this building? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 floors, and our plumber uncle is standing on the ground floor. Which floor he is standing on? Ground floor or 0th floor. Now somebody calls him and asks him to come up by 4 floors. Okay, so he starts climbing. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so initially on which floor he was on? 0th floor. And how many floors he climbed up? 4 floors. And currently he is on 4th floor. So in mathematics, how we will write it? 0 plus 4 equals to 4. Okay, so whenever we climb up, we do addition. Okay, understood? Now let's take one more thing, that he is currently on 4th floor and again he has to climb up by 3 floors. How many floors now he has to climb up? 3 floors. So he again starts 1 2 3. Okay, so he was on 4th floor and he climbed up 3 floors. So how we'll write it? 4th floor he was on. Somebody asked him to climb by 3 more floors, and currently he is on 7th floor. So we'll write in mathematics 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Okay, so whenever we climb up or we go up, we do addition. Now our plumber uncle is at 7th floor and somebody asks him to come down. Correct, come down by 2 floors. Okay, so he comes down 1 floor and 2 floor. Okay, so he was on 7th floor and he comes down by 2 floor, and at which floor he is in right now? He is at 5th floor. Okay, so in mathematics, how we will write this time? 7 minus 2 equals to 5. Got it? Okay, so when we goes down or comes down, we do subtraction or minus. Okay, we'll take one more example. From 5th floor, he has to come down further by 3 more floors. Okay, some work is there, so he has to come down by 3 more floors. 1 2 3. Okay, so he was at 5th floor and he comes down by 3 floors, and at which floor he is in right now? 2 floor, 2nd floor. So we'll write 5 minus 3, minus because he has come down. Okay, so 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So we'll understand one more time that whenever we goes down, we do subtraction. Now in this example, we have a road. Okay, there is a road, and on this road there are numbers, the milestones are there. So this is 1st kilometer, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Okay, milestones are there, and on this road we have a pizza corner at 2nd kilometer milestone, and we have a ice cream parlor at 5th kilometer milestone. Okay, we all like ice cream, so there is a ice cream parlor also. And here our boy Devansh is there, who is feeling hungry. Okay, Devansh is feeling hungry, so his mom says that you go ahead by 2 kilometers, you will get something to eat. Okay, so he goes 1 kilometer and 2 kilometer, and what he gets? Pizza. Okay, so he eats pizza. In mathematics, how we'll write this? He was at 0 kilometer because it is the starting. Okay, so the start of our number system is 0. So he was at 0 kilometer and he went ahead by 2 kilometer, and at which milestone he reaches? 2. Correct. So 0 plus 2 equals to 2. So whenever we go ahead, what we do? Addition. Okay, now still he is feeling hungry, so his dad says you go ahead 3 more kilometers, you will get something. So he goes 1 2 and 3, and what he gets? Ice cream. Okay, so in mathematics, how we'll write it? He was at 2 kilometer milestone. Initially he was at 2 kilometer milestone and he went ahead by 3 kilometers. Okay, he went ahead by 3 kilometers, and where he reaches now? 5th kilometer milestone. So 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Okay, so whenever we are going ahead or going forward, what we do? Addition. Correct. Here we have one more road. Okay, and on this road we have milestones, the same like the previous one: 1 2 3 4 5. But now the traveler on this road is a spider. Okay, so the spider on this road is currently at 5th kilometer milestone and he goes back 2 kilometers. Okay, so he starts 1 2, he goes back by 2 kilometer. So how we'll write in mathematics? He was at 5th kilometer milestone initially and he went back 2 kilometers, and he reaches currently at which milestone he is at? You can see here 3. Okay, so he is at 3. In mathematics, we'll write 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Okay, so whenever we goes back, we write it minus, we do subtraction. Okay, now the spider is at 3 and he has to go back 3 more kilometers. So again he starts his journey. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now will you help me to write it in mathematics? He was at 3 kilometer milestone initially. Okay, and how many kilometers he went back? 3 kilometers. So we'll write 3 minus 3. Now what is the answer? Where he has reached? Okay, what I should write here? Correct. So this is 3 minus 3 equals to 0. He is at 0th kilometer milestone. So what we understood? If we goes back, we do subtraction. Okay, subtraction we do whenever we goes back. Okay friends, so let's revise what we have learned today. Going up is addition. You remember when plumber uncle was going up, we were doing addition. Coming down is subtraction. Okay, going forward or going ahead is what we do? Addition. Okay, coming back, subtraction. Okay, if we get something from someone, what we do? Addition. You remember Kanav got chocolates, so we did addition. But when Kanav has to give chocolates to Avika, what we did? Subtraction. Okay, so we understood the addition and subtraction for various directions and getting the things or giving the things to someone. Okay, now there's a small quiz time. Okay, so just play this quiz. We have a aeroplane. Okay, Rishka is the pilot of this aeroplane. Okay, and Rishka can fly this aeroplane to up, down, going ahead or going back. Okay, she can go up, come down, going ahead or come back. And for this she has two buttons. One is plus and other is minus. Okay, so now we have to help Rishika in flying this aeroplane. Okay, let's play it. So first is she has to go up. Which button she should press? Okay, so you are saying plus, right? Let's press plus button. Wow, correct. So plus button is going up. Now she has to come down. This time which button she should press? Come on, come on. Okay, minus. Let's press minus. Yes, with minus we comes down. Okay, now this time she has to move back. Come backward, move back. Okay, which button she should press now? Minus, correct. So with minus button she went back. And the last thing is she has to come forward. Okay, which button you said? Plus. Okay, let's try it. Wow, great. So you said it right. With plus she went forward. Okay, so thanks for helping Rishika, and I hope now you have understood the things. Thank you.